Hi, in this project we are going to see the demonstration of a gas sensor based alert system. So in this project you could see we have a base sheet, we have a green grass mat, we have a house model, we have a 5-volt buzzer connected to it, and then we have a relay module to switch the buzzers, and you could see all the wires are connected to a gas sensor. And to power this up we are going to connect a 9-volt battery. So the 9-volt battery is not a part of this project, it has to be procured separately. And whenever you connect a battery, make sure you're connecting the right polarity to avoid any short circuit. So you could see I've connected the battery, and we have wooden blocks to mount the battery. So using double side tape, you could stick the battery. There are multiple ways where you could see the demonstration. For demonstration, I'm using a lighter. When you demonstrate, make sure you don't ignite the fire like this. Just press the lighter. So there will be definitely the gas leakage. So you could place near the sensor. So the sensors should preheat for 30 to 60 seconds. After that, if you place the sensor without firing, it will only detect the gas. And even the wooden block is stuck with double side tape. So you could also remove this. And separately also you could see the demonstration like this. So after demonstration, you could stick it back to the wooden block. So this is how this project works, and you can place the buzzer on the mat.